Get ready to fall in love. This stunning Paytas-built home located in Venetian Bay offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 2,100 square feet of elegance and functionality. Imagine entertaining in your dream kitchen with not just 1, but 2 massive kitchen islands and seemingly endless storage options. Unwind in your spacious primary suite featuring a spa-like walk-in shower, or relish in beautiful golf course views right from your own backyard. With 2 separate dining areas, a versatile bonus space, tile roof, paver drive, and a rare 4-car garage, this home truly has it all. But don't take my word for it. Come see for yourself. This is the one you've been waiting for. Thanks so much for joining me on our tour of 2915 North Asciano Court in Venetian Bay. This Paytas home was built in 2020 and features a 4-car garage that we're going to take a closer look at here in a little bit. A durable tile roof, paver driveway with plenty of room to park multiple cars, and as a plus, really adds to the curb appeal. Now let's head inside and see everything that this beautiful property has to offer. Now that we're inside, let's check out this floor plan. This home has 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and 2,181 square feet of living space. But these 10-foot ceilings and natural light that flood the home make it seem even larger. The main living area of this home is warm and inviting with a neutral color palette that you can easily decorate to your liking. I know you guys want to see every nook and cranny of this house, but I want to start here in the kitchen. If you like to entertain, you'll love this space. You've got this cute little breakfast nook that looks out to the golf course for those weekend brunches. There are 2 huge islands in here that are great for food prep or serving, and the center island is full of extra storage space that can house any small appliances, pots, pans, or whatever else you might need. All of the cabinets and drawers in this kitchen are soft close, and the counters are made of quartz and are complemented really nicely with this modern subway backsplash. You're also going to have GE stainless steel appliances throughout, as well as a dedicated space for your pantry. I mentioned before that the cabinets and drawers were soft close, but I want to show you guys something else. Wellborn is the manufacturer for these cabinets, and all of the drawers are actually Dovetail, which are a higher end product that is much more durable than traditional cabinetry is. We're going to come back and check out the rest of the main living area here in just a minute because there's still a lot out here to see, but for now I want to show you that primary suite. There's a lot to see in there that I think you're really going to love. The primary bedroom is quite generous in size and has those beautiful views of the golf course. You're going to find plush carpeting in all 3 bedrooms, which is a really nice touch, but the feature that is my favorite in this bedroom is the walk-in closet. It's 8.5 feet by 7.5 feet, so there's plenty of room to store all of your Florida attire in here. Just outside the primary bath, you're going to have a pretty sizable linen closet, as well as a smaller linen closet inside of the bathroom. Here in the bath, you're going to have solid surface counters with a double vanity, and that seems to be a box that most people want checked when they're looking for a home. Those same cabinets from the kitchen are going to carry over into the bathroom as well. You're also going to have an absolutely huge walk-in shower. If you've had a long day at work, or maybe you had a rough round of golf, just step in here and relax. Back out in the main living area, you'll see that there's a lot of room out here in the living room to set up your furniture however you want. It's so modern, but also really warm and cozy, and I love this floor plan because you can have privacy on one side of the home and your guests or kids can have privacy on the other side. The space off to the left is currently being used as an office space, but the possibilities are really endless in here. You're also going to have a formal dining space in this home, so you can host all of those dinner parties. Now I want to show off these blinds. They are installed throughout the home and they're so easy to keep clean, and they are completely adjustable, so you can let in as much or as little light as you want. Outside on the patio, you're going to see those golf course views that I was talking about earlier. The patio is about 38 feet long, so there's plenty of room for furniture, tables, chairs, And off to the right, I don't know if you can see it from the camera angle here, but the golf course clubhouse is there, and they have a really great restaurant in there that you have to try called Champion's Grill. You're also going to have plenty of room to put a pool in out here if you'd like, and that's complemented really nicely by this convenient side door that's going to lead right inside, and also to a half bath just here off to the right, so your guests can just pop in there instead of walking through the entire house. We'll take one last look at the main living area here, and then we're going to head on over to the guest wing of the home. In the guest bath, you'll have those same solid surface counters and cabinets that you saw in the primary bathroom. This bathroom is also fitted with floor-to-ceiling tile in the shower, as well as a tub. Here in your guest rooms, you are going to find that they are a comfortable size with pretty generous closet spaces in each of them. The last couple of things I want to show you are the laundry room and that garage. In the laundry room, you'll have some additional storage space as well as a sink, and the washer and the dryer are going to be included in the sale of this property. Now for the big reveal. The 4-car garage. And yes, it really is a 4-car garage. You can fit a full-size pickup truck in here with no issues, with plenty of room left over for other vehicles or toys like a motorcycle, jet skis, or a golf cart. Pro tip for Venetian Bay, golf carts are extremely popular in here, so you can zip around to all of the restaurants and shops at the town center, pickleball courts, or go visit all the friends you'll make when you live here. As you can see, this home isn't just about what's inside. It's also part of an incredible community that I hope you'll love just as much as this home. Thanks for taking this tour with me. What did you guys think about this gorgeous home? I'd love to know your thoughts, so make sure to drop a comment below and let me know your favorite feature or ask any questions that you might have about the home or the area. Make sure to visit the link in the description below to get the most up-to-date information on this property. I'm Tiffany, your local realtor with homesofdaytonabeach.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.